Hey guys, I hope that you are having a great day. Today's video is me doing my makeup tutorial today. I just did something very, just out of my comfort zones. Valentine's Day look, but it's like my kind of lookbook I'm doing right now. So I'm doing a lot of lookbooks until Valentine ends. So yeah, I'm also going to mix it around for collabs as well. So you guys should check that out in the future. It's probably next week and one on Sunday. So this look is very cute. This is very different, so I hope that you guys like it. And this look is representing Jaclyn Hill for Valentine's Day. If you're new to this channel, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. And these are all the shout outs right here who have been supporting me. And get to the video. I'm going to be using this lotion for moisturizing. I'm going to do a voice overview for now since it's a lot easier and quicker. And I'm going to use this foundation primer so that my foundation can last all day long. And yeah, I'm just putting all on my face and my eyes as well. And I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil and then the NYX as well for my, to color it in and stuff like that. This brush was too long. It's like, oh my gosh. But anyways, I'm going to line up my eyebrows with the NYX and then just, just play it around, brush it so I can fill them in. And I use this It Cosmetics one for the brush because I like the brush a lot. It's more better and it feels like it's more volumized. So the purpose of this video is the Jaclyn Hill. And I'm going to be using this white one for my brows underneath so I can have that highlight. I'm just trying new things out. Hopefully this will work out, maybe. So yeah, I'm just gonna use it with this brush and then just smudge it around and stuff like that, and then just play around. And then I'm gonna be using this kind of pink, light pink color, and then just put it underneath my eyes where I put like my highlight with my eyebrows and stuff. And I'm just gonna use my hands with it because I feel like with my hands it's more vibrant. So I'm just gonna mix it all around and blend it together because I feel like when you blend it with your hands it's more I guess it shows more. And then I use this brush to mix it all around, and then I mix it with this brush to blend as well because this brush is really good for blending. And the brush is from BH Cosmetics, I forgot to mention. And I'm going to be using this one. It's like a maroon kind of like color, and I forgot to mention like the names of the colors. I just put like pointed out and stuff like that. So I'm going to put this one on like where my eyes are and just like spread it all around because the purpose for this makeup tutorial is just for Valentine's Day because I'm doing a lookbook. So I'm going to do like basically 5 lookbooks for Valentine's so you guys can get ideas maybe and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to use my Eco Tools brush and then use this kind of like a darker red, like a cherry red, and just put it like at the end of my crease, I guess, not like where it is and stuff like that. And then just like blend it with this brush again. And then I'm going to use this type of red because they all have different reds really, so not all reds are the same. And I'm just going to put it like at the end of my eyes. And then I'm going to use this brush and then just blend it, just go in circles and stuff like that. And I use my hands, just blend it again. So yeah, and it looks like this. I should call this like a sunset kind of look, but it's not really like a sunset. So I'm gonna use this like sparkly kind of eyeshadow and then just put it around my eyes so I can have that nice glitter. I don't have a glitter shadow, so I use the Jaclyn for this one. I'm gonna buy a glitter soon, and I'm gonna do the same in my other eye as well, and just do the same thing what I did in the other eye. And then I'm gonna use the purple one at the end so I can have that like a little bit like of a smoky eye. And yeah, I'm just gonna use this all around my eyes and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna line it up and everything, and then I just use another brush to blend it afterwards. So yeah. So I basically mix around with different brushes so that my eyeshadows can have that nice mixture and nice of like all the blending going on, because I feel like the more you blend it's nicer. And I'm gonna go with this white one again and go with my inner corners of my eyes so I can have that highlight on my you know, my eyes. And then go over it again. Same thing like I did with the other eyeshadow. It's like the glittery one. And yeah, just go over it again so it can have that nice effect. So overall, this is what it looks like. It looks kind of messy, but I try to make it work a little bit. And then after that, I'm just gonna go over my liquid eyeliner from Revlon. Sorry, I can't speak today. I'm just gonna do my wing. It's not the best like usual, but I'm practicing my makeup and stuff like that. I'm not the best at times, but like, you know, practice makes perfect. So always keep doing what you're doing so you reach your goals. So yeah, that's what my... And then I'm gonna use the gel liner from L'Oreal and then just line it up with my liquid eyeliner so I can have that nice, you know, dark black on my eyes. So it's kind of messy a little bit. And then I'm going to use this kind of like a maroon red from BH Cosmetics palette. And then just line it up with my waterline so I can have that nice red, you know, feeling and stuff like that. I just like want to make it different and unique. That's what I'm always trying to go for when I do my makeup tutorials. And I just line it up with my black eyeliner afterwards. And then I use this Tarte mascara. I really like this a lot. I'm just using this for now. And then I use the curling one just to, you know, curl my lashes and stuff like that. I usually go 5 times to do my eyelashes. Yeah. And then, yeah, I go like 5 times and I mix it with another mascara and do it again. So it makes my lashes kind of longer and more volume. And, yeah. And then after that, I'm just going to brush it off with this. Yeah. And then I use the foundation from BH Cosmetics. And this is the Golden Toffee, I think was the color. And then I'm just going to use my spongy, you know, just to put up the foundation. I'm just trying new things out because, you know, I'm just trying to be like all the beauty gurus out there. So it's kind of fun just playing around with my tools. I really like this foundation a little bit. But, like, I feel like my foundation has been kind of breaking out a little bit on my skin. I don't know if this is the foundation because I've been breaking out a lot ever since. I don't know if it's the foundation, but I think it's not the foundation. I think it's the primer that I was using before. So I think I'm not going to use that anymore. So yeah, we'll see if it's the foundation or maybe just because I have like lack of sleep. But I'm just going to put all the foundation around my face and stuff like that. Just have like a nice coverage and everything. I go for my neck and everything so that I can match all over. And then I use this brush just to have that more coverage feeling. I don't know, I'm not used with the sponge a lot, so I use like a brush again and then just spread it around so I can have that, you know, like I said, the more coverage the better and everything. But it covers a lot of the pimples, so I love it. So yeah, that's what I love about this foundation a lot. So I think it's not the foundation, it's the problem, but I think it's probably like my skin. Recently it's been like kind of dry, so yeah. It has like that nice shiny effect on my eyes a little bit. I don't know if it's from the lotion, but like I said, I'm still trying to learn my makeup and stuff, you know. So yeah, a little bit of glowy, you know. So I'm gonna be using the mineral powder from Maybelline and just use this as my like a, you know, base powder and stuff like that. And then I'm just gonna use it with the brush and then just spread it all around so it can have that nice, you know, at least not too oily, because when I use this it's good so that my face doesn't get too oily throughout the day. It's great. And I use the Milani Bake Powder, so just a little bit of highlight, you know, to bake my face. And yeah, I forgot to do blush in this video, but it's okay. I don't really need a blush anyway. I feel like without the blush it was fine. And then I'm just going to use this one for contouring. I think I did a blush, but I'm not sure. We'll see. I forgot if I mentioned to do blush in this video. But I'm just going to use the BH Cosmetics one with all the blushes, the contouring, the highlight. And I'm just going to contour with this brush, which I got from Target a long time ago. I think it was like a month ago. And just spread it around my face so my face can have that, like a bang effect. You know what I mean? Like the highlight and everything. The more highlight, the better, the merrier. And I'm just going to highlight my nose as well. And then, yeah. Hopefully this is okay. Like, my background's kind of messy, like very loud because a lot of people are doing other things right now. But I just want to get this video out of the way so I can get something up for you guys. And yeah, I've been so busy. And I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick, lip gloss from NYC, which I got from Target as well. I get most of my stuff from like a drugstore area, like Target, what is that called? Walgreens and CVS and everything like that. So yeah, so I can have that nice glossy. And then I use the Milani lipstick, and it's what it looks like, my makeup. How do you guys like it? Is it cute? Let me know in the comments. I also take a lot of pictures. Maybe not a lot, but did you guys like it? I hope you guys do. I worked really hard on this look. I feel like I planned it out a little bit. And I'm also going to put some, you know, photos at the end. I usually forget, but this time I'll try to remember. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.